Our big girl's sitting up in our high chair.
It's the first time she's ever
Yeah.
sat in my chair.
Like an old pro.
Gonna eat that? She's been a little under the weather.
Just go ahead and undo it.
Hey, Ellie Belly. Oops. Oh, that's a crazy shot. Eat him breakfast.
You alright there? Yeah. Yeah.
Say, I want to eat that finger.
Little boogie nose. Little bubbles blowing out her nose.
Snorting.
You got bubbles coming out your nose. Yes, you do. You got bubbles. You have bubbles coming out your nose.
You know.
Exactly.